Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be talking about moisturizers. What kind of ingredients should you be looking out for in your moisturizers? And actually, what are moisturizers and what are the functions of a moisturizer? Now, first, let's talk about what a moisturizer is. Now, moisturizers are skincare ingredients that are designed to increase the moisture level in the skin, making it feel smooth and hydrated. Now, how do moisturizers work? Moisturizers work by reducing the evaporation of moisture from the skin surface, replenishing the skin with moisture and providing a protective barrier against environmental factors that could damage the skin. Now, there are three main ingredients. These are not the only kind of ingredients that you should have in your moisturizer, but these are the three main ingredients that you should look out for when you are buying a moisturizer or when you are making a moisturizer. And these main three ingredient categories are your humectants, your occlusives, and your emollients. Now, humectants are ingredients that help to draw moisture into the skin from within the body and around the within the atmosphere or the environment. Emollients are ingredients that help to fill in the gaps within the skin, helping to smooth and hydrate the skin. These kind of ingredients include oils, basically your lipid ingredients, oils, butters, and all of that. We also have occlusives. Occlusives are ingredients that form a physical barrier on the surface of the skin to prevent evaporation of moisture from the skin surface. And ingredients like petroleum jelly, beeswax are very good for this purpose. Now, different kinds of moisturizers include these ingredients in different forms for different skin types. Now, the kind of moisturizer you use for your skin is determined by your skin type. For example, if you have lightweight moisturizers that contain more humectants and less emollients and less occlusives, these kinds of moisturizers are good for oily skin or acne prone skin. And if you have ingredients or moisturizers that have more occlusive ingredients or more emollient ingredients and less humectants, these kinds of moisturizers are mainly for oily skin or mature skin. You get it? Yeah. Now let's talk about the main ingredients that you should be looking out for in your moisturizers. We've talked about the ingredient category. Let's talk about the main ingredients that you should be looking out for in your moisturizers. But before we do that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, you have watched the video to this point, you might as well join the family. Please take this time to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if it was beneficial to you. Even if it wasn't, the fact that you watched to this point, it means there's something there, right? So please take this time to subscribe down below and make sure you leave your comments if you have any concerning this video topic or you have any other video ideas or questions that you want to ask. Please do well to leave your comments in the comment section and I'll be very glad to interact with you. Now let's talk about the main ingredients that you should look out for in your moisturizers. We have hyaluronic acid. Now, hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring ingredient or occurring substance in our skin that helps to refresh and keep it stable. However, factors like age, environmental stressors can reduce the level of hyaluronic acid in our skin. And this can lead to loss of hydration and the reduction of elasticity in our skin. That's why it is important to add hyaluronic acid in any kind of skin moisturizer that you're making. This will help to bring back and introduce moisture back to your skin. Another very important ingredient that you should not leave out in your moisturizers are ceramides. Ceramides help to form the skin barrier, and it also helps the skin to retain moisture. Now, loss of ceramide in your skin can lead to dryness and can also lead to irritated skin. I have a video that I did yesterday about skin irritation. If you would like to learn about what skin irritations are, how you can treat skin irritation, and how you can identify skin irritation, then please click the link up here. I think it's going to be up here or here. I don't know, wherever it is. Click the link and watch that video to get informed about what skin irritations are and how you can manage skin irritation. Now, a moisturizer that contains ceramide can help to replenish the loss of moisture. And these ingredients ensure that the skin stays supple and hydrated. We also have glycerin. Glycerin is one of the most common humectants out there, and it is affordable and very, very easy to use. Now, glycerin works like a sponge, right? Glycerin helps to sponge in as much moisture as it can get and pushes it out to the outer layer of the skin. Now, glycerin can promote the maturation process of the skin cells, ensuring that the outer layer of your skin is healthy and functioning as it should. We also have ingredients like squalene, are excellent hydrators. And squalene is identical to the skin sebum, meaning that it can actually help to regulate the production of excess sebum on your skin. And this can help to reduce the possibility of acne or clogged pores, which makes it a great oil for your skin. And it is also great for all skin types. We also have aloe vera. Now, aloe vera can help to soothe sunburn. It can help to soothe irritations on your skin, which makes it a great ingredient for your moisturizer. We also have shea butter, and we also have cocoa butter. I personally love cocoa butter. I love shea butter as well. There are other butters that are very, very hydrating to the skin. Now, shea butter is high in fatty acids, and it is very good for promoting hydration on your skin. It is an excellent ingredient for skin softening, and it also helps with inflammations and also has skin healing properties. Now, we also have niacinamide, which is an immunomodulator. What this means is they help to build blocks of proteins such as collagen, elastin, and keratin. Now, these proteins are the foundation of your skin's health. And these proteins contribute to the texture, the strength, and the resilience of your skin. Now, if you would like to learn more, you want to learn more about skincare formulation, you want to learn more about ingredients, you want to learn the basics and become a better skincare formulator, we have different courses that you can take. We have our diploma in skincare formulation, which is a beginner to advanced skincare formulation, where you get to learn everything you need to know about the formulation process, ingredients, the anatomy of the skin biome, the function of the skin's anatomy in skincare formulation, and so many other things that you're going to be learning in that training. So if you like to take your skincare journey or skincare business from point A to point Z, then you should be sending us a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar to get all the information you need about this training. Now, if you are a skincare formulator, but you want to upgrade and you want to get your skincare formulation game on par, and you want to stand out from the crowd, then you need to take our diploma advanced skincare formulation course. This course is available to both group and personal one-on-one trainings. So if you'd like to get more information about our trainings, please send us a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar, and we'll give you all the information that you need. Now, choosing the right ingredient or the right moisturizer for your skin is very crucial. You need to pay attention to your skin type and your skin's specific needs. For instance, if you have a sensitive skin, look for ingredients or look for skincare moisturizers that are labeled hypoallergenic. If you have oily skin, then you should be looking for ingredients or skincare moisturizers that are labeled oil-free moisturizers. Now, if you have dry skin and you're battling with, dry skin, irritated skin, you need to look for skincare moisturizers that are richer in emollients and occlusives. These will help to protect the barrier of your skin and also help to regulate or stop the evaporation of moisture from the surface of your skin. So, if this video was helpful to you, please take this time to subscribe, join the family. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Sele Kalio and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, skincare DIY specialist. I create beauty videos on skincare production right from your own kitchen. I also help skincare businesses take their formulation game from point A to point Z, making you stand out from the crowd. Now, if you're a returning subscriber, hey, best friend, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope this video was informative and it was helpful to you. If you like to learn more about your skin, you like to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up so I know that you appreciate and you like what I post. And make sure you are sharing these videos and leaving your comments in the comment section. And I will definitely see you in another video tomorrow.